Hi class, welcome to Is450. I'm Professor Fahmi Jalani. Today we'll be covering IT and Business Advantage for Lecture 5. So let's begin. So to increase significance of IT impact and dependency on IT, there's you need to define a redefine strategy. Basically, to have a unique and distinct position of the market. Could be your product, network, boundaries. You know. Today, with the internet as provider services, it's a good distribution channel. Also, we have smart connected products, uh, mobile phone, smart devices, smart watches, information and processing capabilities as major economic growth or part of product. Next, we have enabling strategy, integration of business processes and units, digitization of business transaction, avoidance of operation risk of IT, operation efficiency, process re-engineering. Today, people are going through paperless. At times, you could pay your mobile bill online and you have a discount for that. For example, in Verizon, creating accounts of value generation and use in distribution. And last, creating shared value, sharing capabilities with buyers, sellers, business partner, and the public. Right. So next, take a look at business spending on IT from 2016 to 2018. As for data center, there's not much growth, just 1% until 2008, but there is significant increase as more people are creating their own website or requirement of servers, right? Enterprise software, with large corporation, there's a significant increase in that. Devices, there's steady increase. IT services, companies providing services, security, web hosting, web design, things like that, digital marketing, right? And communication services, companies like Cisco, Avaya are there in the market. Overall, we have quite a slight increase. So increase worldwide IT spending in 2008, 2007 exceed 2 trillion, 3.7 in trillion in 2014, in 2015 3.5 trillion, and 2017 3.5 trillion. This is according to Gartner. So we are expecting to continue spending growth, increase IT capability, requiring vision and capability to exploit opportunities and avoid risks. Next, take a look at understanding business model. Right. Here we see basically how a company interacts with the environment, define unique strategy, attract resources, and build capabilities required to execute the strategy, and at the same time create value for all stakeholders. So the concept of business modeling organizing framework, we mentioned just now, three components are strategy, capabilities, and value. For example, strategy of a car for every income bracket, okay, online selling, uh, capabilities of cars is assembly line, uh, and ROE value. Okay, so three component needs to fit and align. Okay? The desire to create the value for stakeholder drive strategy. Okay? Basically, it's a loop. Strategy and capabilities are developed in tandem. Resource and assets, what the resources and asset that the company have to make full use in order to get the value. Capabilities drives value for stakeholder. Okay? Structure follows strategy. Okay? According to Chandler, structure U or M form follow strategy, single or multi-product. Mackenzie mentioned about 7S and needs to fit the 7S. The significance of a business model, a proposition that articulates value creation for whom and how to create value. Revenue generation plan, strategy and cost structure to attract needed resources capability. So it is useful for employees to understand the business for aligning themselves and investment, for example, Enron or Bear Stearns. For investor, Buffett soundbite: never invest in a business you cannot understand. Okay, you should invest in a business that even a fool could run, because someday a fool will. Enron, Bernard Madoff, and Bitcoin. Okay, some example. Income from work 70% versus investment. Okay. Growing importance of value of the investment income. Career changes fast. Okay, the value of school education decay fast. Okay. So whatever you learn here might not be applicable in probably next 5 or 10 years. Okay. The period of earning from work is getting shorter. Jobs are getting scarce. Okay. Today with technology, jobs are more knowledge driven and information driven. For public policy, bailing out auto companies in 2008. Okay, for managers to understand IT impact and IT investment and organization framework. IT impact on each component, for example, strategy online retailing, Amazon.com, online banking, online care services, MDT, Careline. Capabilities, design, concurrent design, process re-engineering, tell, sense and respond, build to order, make to order versus make to forecast. Okay. Value, building accounts, record for value creation and distribution. IT impact on feed alignment as the sources of sustainability, competitive advantage, sharing real-time information and knowledge for consistency, reinforcement, and optimization of business activity and reputation. Okay. And creating shared value. Okay. Value is technically socialism and corruption. Capability, CSV, and strategy is merger, for example. Okay. We see a lot of company being bought over, for example, Facebook buying over Instagram and WhatsApp. So their strategy. Okay. So that's pretty much it for this short lecture for on IT and business advantage. We will go in depth for the next slides. If you have any question or doubts, please email me or drop by my office. Stay safe and thank you very much. Bye bye.